What's going on, y'all? Y'all miss me? Welcome back to my channel. Girl LOCS Monet here, tapping in live on February 2nd, 2023 with this update because it's been a long time since I've been in the tube of you. So thank y'all for watching. Like I said, it's been a minute. I don't think I even did a video for my 6-year anniversary, which was last June. So yeah, the girls are girling and they are curls. So they really like showing out today. So it's been 6.5 years since I've been locked, y'all. I know time is like flying by. But before we get too far into detail, into the yabba and the jabba, welcome into my new subscribers. I know y'all was like, dang, does she ever post videos? I do. I'm a slacker, so sorry. Please like, share, comment on this video, and also please follow me on Instagram because I promise you that's where I am, okay? Like, I'm sharing all my styles and just everything. So go to IG too. But yeah, y'all, I don't even know what color my hair was the last time I made a video. So since I think then I've had this ginger color. It's a little bit more ginger than that, but it's like, you know, this is like a light brown. So I had ginger. I mean, I've had a lot of colors. I think y'all saw red. Y'all saw that red. I had blue in the beginning, that purple, the ginger, and of course the blonde. And then now I'm in this black, hey, with this streak of brown in the front. And it's cute, y'all. So I curled my hair 2 days ago with the lock loops. You can find those at locloops.com. And yeah, it turned out super cute, super cute. And I'll show y'all the back. Alright guys, my undercut is still undercutting. It's still thriving and doing what it do. I've actually cut like 2 or 3 other rows off my undercut. So now my undercut is like right here up to my ear. I don't know if y'all can see it. And don't talk about my kitchen because I don't know what she look like back there. But yeah, so I've cut it. I've been cutting it. No big changes to my wash regimen. I still wash about every 7 to 10 days, but it's because I work out so much and the sweat and you know, so I do that. Only thing I did change, I did add this right here, that Shea Moisture color. It's a shampoo for color and it's great. I recommend it. I love it. I've been using it since I've been coloring my hair because obviously if you color your hair, you need to retain moisture. That's how you're going to promote the longevity or, you know, just keep that longevity of the healthiness of your locks. So that's what I have been. I haven't done a ACV rinse, or I ain't done nothing. Like I've been slacking, but my hair looks, you know, it's been good. Still doing the self retightening. It's been almost 2 years now. Yeah, I did have a loctician when I was in Missouri, but I've now relocated, so don't have a loctician at the moment. But yeah, here we are. Been self retightening. The girls have been showing out. So I mean, they've gotten pretty long. Sorry about the lint, y'all. But yeah, they've been seeing as one of the longer ones. So it's down there. So yeah. How you guys been? Tap in, let me know how everybody's been doing. What's going on? Y'all got any questions for me? Like I said, I do a lot of videos and, you know, reels and stuff over on Instagram. So if you really want to follow me, I'm gonna try to like do more videos. And I honestly have a ton of videos for YouTube. I just never edit them, and then they just get lost in the sauce. So I'm sorry, but This one is here, so you're seeing this one. And I'm gonna try to upload some of those, so they may look a little bit older. But yeah, so we'll see. We will see. But here are my babies again, y'all. See how they showing out? And y'all see my edges are like flat. It's because they're relaxed. Don't come for me. Don't come for me. But I honestly, I relax them like maybe twice a year, 2-3 times out of the year, when if and when I really want to. And honestly, it's just for convenience. Like, I have no edge control on my locks right now when I get out of the shower, nothing curled up. Like, cause I got the 4C up front, honey, and it's just convenience. And I don't knock nobody what they do. You know, I hear the lock police and natural police. So, oh, you supposed to be natural? You got locks right now? Oh my God! You still eat McDonald's, all that processed food. Don't come for me and my processed edges, okay? Just kidding. Let's keep a good rapport here, okay? But yeah, so that's about it, y'all. Nothing's really been changing. Just wanted to come in, tap in, show y'all my locks real quick, cause I'm sleeping tired. Auntie is tired, and it's only 6 o'clock p.m. That's what? Auntie even gonna get to bed. We will chit chat soon. Like I said, leave all comments, questions that you may want answered. Tap in, like I said, and we will revisit the next time. Y'all be good. Be safe. Toodles.